Let us understand some facts about Google Ads. Google Ads was launched in the year 2000 with pricing based on flat CPM, cost per impression model, and it was relaunched under an auction model in 2002. About 97% of Google's total revenues come from advertising. The average click-through rate, CTR, for a Google ad is 3.60%. An ad in the first search position has an average click-through rate of more than 7%. A YouTube homepage ad cost on average 72 lakh INR. Google owns the world's largest online display advertising network. Comparison between Google Ads and SEO. Let us look at an example. Now, I'm searching for PMP certification, and when we search for this, Google will show two kind of result on search engine result page: advertisement and SEO. Now we all can see the result with the AD extension towards the left of each result. This is called Google Ads. And if we scroll down little, we can see the result which do not have an AD extension. And these are called as SEO, search engine optimization. Now, we have seen this advertisement, which means we have given one single impression. Suppose if I click this advertisement and that becomes click.